Here's what we need to know for ordering a latch. The size of the gate in, this is 1 inch by 1 inch. And then the size of the receiver post, this is 2 inch by 2 inch. And then we also like to know from end of the gate in to the middle of this post. That way we can make sure that it will fit. In order for this gate latch to work, you got to have an adequate gap. In the bottom right hand corner, you'll see I'm showing you a gate latch. This system will not work on that. You can see the one that I just installed here. That's a little bit too close. It's working, but it's not ideal. I just sped up some video here so that you can see me installing one. If you don't have the tools to cut off the existing latch like I did, you can install it down below where this red line is with using the adjustable bar and an adjustable receiver. If you want to see more gate latch installs, I'll leave a link at the end of this video to a playlist where we have about 15 shorts showing you different various iron gate latch installations.